Day 2 of eating and mainly drinking my way through Amsterdam was a success. We started the day off in De Pijp with pastries and coffee before making our way through the Albert Koop market. We got a fresh stroopwafel and some souvenirs before heading to a Dutch pub for lunch. Still fighting that jet lag, but also wanting to enjoy vacation, I got myself an Irish coffee. We had Dutch snacks and sandwiches and then made our way over to Jordan, where we got on a canal tour and sipped on some Heinekens. This is my third time in Amsterdam and I still can't get over the architecture and the canals. I love both so much. I don't necessarily love Heineken, but it's the local beer. I had to partake. We made our way back to De Pijp for the evening, had more beers on a patio, steak tartare, ceviche, and a hamburger for dinner. We ended the night with a leisurely walk home, a mini stroopwafel, and a step check.